Paper tearing, they're actually focusing on their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination as well. For paper collage, like sticking is a good way to express themselves through art. In painting, we do different activities. So we talk about, because we're doing instruments this 2 months, so we talk about drums, percussions, instruments. So they did drum painting, and then so you can see it's the texture paper, not just like normal painting.
Yeah,
because there's going to be more.
action.
So they're doing the actions, they're doing the fine motor skills, and then there are
The beat of the music.
they're into it, and then they're actually enjoy painting as well, experience how to do the music as well. We also talk about the woodwind instruments. So there's the blowing ones, they do a bubble, they do bubble painting. So they really enjoy doing this kind of, so they learn like how to blow the air coming out and then trying to exhale the air as well. So we learn with different shapes. Previous month we learned how to draw, like focus on drawing triangles or circles and squares. So he's drawing
Rectangles.
like the xylophone. So and then we were doing coloring as well. So they are practicing how to draw lines and different things. What he is doing is we talk about the instruments, the sound of the instruments. If you're using the xylophone, it goes bang, 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 bang. So it's coming out. So you can see it's like this coming out of the music. Yeah. And then if they are doing violin, it's more soft sound. So they're trying to tear more longer lines as well. So we're talking about different things as well, not just like, oh, they do art and that's it. For here, we also learned about drawing shapes, using the shapes that we have learned, and then combining together to draw their little person.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to group up one of the little orchestra player, and then we're going to have big orchestra together.
Oh.
Drawing, they are actually learning about their listening skills, following instructions as well. Because you know, some of the students, they're just like everywhere, but you have to guide them back, maybe give them dotted lines, step by step, so that they can draw nicely. They learn how to draw their instruments, and then with their instruments, they're drawing, and then so we cut out from cardboard. So we for this project, we're also learning about cardboard layering. For collage, they're using different materials, trying to overlap them. So understanding how to do the collage. So they try to like focus on how do they like stick their things on. So you can see the other girl is scooping in.